Berry bees here. It's March 22nd, 2022, and I'm this bee yard, and it's kind of late, but I've been working. I didn't have time to unwrap the beehives. So right now I have several stages. I want to show you how I wrap it for winter. So this one, see right here, those are wrapped, and I have this tarp over, so they will there's not going to be any rain over. It's a lot of rain here in the northwest. So if you look, I have this tarp over, and there is and they are grouped together. All these bees are grouped together. On the other side, see the bees grouped together. I have this tie wrap, and also have that wind barrier, and then the tarp is over the wind barrier. So they are, and this is a stage where I spread them apart. So, and the next stage after spreading them apart is gonna be probably today. So I come over here and I take this. I have a, see the inside the insulation. I took that big old window there. So when I'm done, I will give them some sugar water here for stimulation, because I don't have enough time today to really do a thorough check on them and change the bottom boards. The bottom boards, they are probably pretty nasty right now, but that's the day. And if I have enough time today, I might be able to show you how they look inside. It's pretty good activity. They are bringing lots and lots of pollen. As you can see, those beehives here, looks like all of them are active. Yeah, when you see bees that are going with pollen inside, that means there is no robbing. Just resident bees are going with the pollen inside. See, I have one here that's, I don't see activity, and another one down there. So two of them are really in bad shape. Those are good here. Let's see, right here. I need to take this, give them a little bit room so they can go. So everything looks good here. Take these weeds out. Good. And I have on this side too. Good, right there. 3, and those 2 are probably dead. So out of this bee yard, I have 2 over there are looking dead, and another 2 right here, 1 here. So 2 of them, 1, 2, so 4 out of 24. And this is the wind barrier that I put over here. We have pretty good winds after the first big old wind. I came and patched it back. Okay, should I have a little time later on, I'll show you how it looks inside.